In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a buy limit order on MetaTrader 5. A buy limit order is used when you want to buy an asset at a lower price than the current market price. Instead of entering the trade immediately, you tell the platform to wait until price drops to your chosen level. This can be useful if you believe the market may pull back before moving higher. To begin, go to MetaTrader 5 and look for the New Order button at the top of the platform. Click on New Order to open the trading window. This is where you'll set up all the details for your pending order. Once the order window appears, click on the Order Type section and choose Limit Order from the left side. This is important because a buy limit is a type of pending order, meaning it will only activate if the market reaches the price you specify. Now enter the price where you want the buy order to be placed. Remember, for a buy limit order, this price must be below the current market price. If the price is above the market, then it would not be a buy limit. So take a moment to double check this before moving on. You can also fill in a few optional settings to better manage the trade. First, there's stop loss. This is the price level that helps limit your losses if the market moves against you. Next is take profit, which is the price where the trade will automatically close if it reaches your profit target. You may also choose an expiration, which allows the order to be cancelled automatically at a specific time if it hasn't been triggered. For example, if the current EUR/USD price is 1.500, you might set your buy limit price at 1.1180. That means you only want to buy if the market drops to 1.1080. You could then set a stop loss at 1.160 to control risk, and a take profit at 1.1230 to lock in gains if the market moves up after the entry. After reviewing everything, click Place to submit the order. Then click Buy below to confirm and send it to the platform. That's it. Your buy limit order will now sit in the system and wait for the market to reach your chosen price. As a final tip, always review your entry price, stop loss, and take profit before placing any order, so your setup matches your trading plan clearly and accurately.